Tá fáilte rud go Leavingcertirish.com is mise seánna gábhíonn agus seo Sraith Pictiúr seachtaíoch robáil bhainc a bank robbery. So le leanimid raig bí cinnte ghuiil an app Leavingcertirish ísló dáilte go tá sé ar fáil ar Google Play agus ar iTunes. Sraith Pictiúr seachtaíoch robáil bhainc a bank robbery. Sa chéad picture anseo feicimid Colleen in a sea ag an mór sa kitchen. In this first picture we see a girl sitting down at the table in the kitchen. Is dégurí de réir cosúlachta. She's a teenager, current appearances, agus níl sí ar scoilne. It's clear that she's not in school today. Tá a phone pócan a lábhacha, she's got her mobile phone in her hand, agus current she takes teachtracht chuig a Karen. She sends a text message to her friend. Now you can also say seolann she if you want directly as a verb. On teachtracht scríb she now, the message that she wrote is, or was, Tá lá saoire gom ón scoil. I've a free day from school. Ar bhaile dul ag siopadóireacht sa char. Would you like to go shopping in the city? Current she an take seo chuig a cara. She sends this text to her friend. Gant out, tá she agsúil le freagra uig gan bhfuil. For sure she's hoping to get a response from her friend without any delay. Tá she ag gól cup an té agus seans má go bhfuil she díreach tréis on breakfast, and there's a good chance she's straight after breakfast having as she's drinking a cup of tea. Feicimid an dirtal, kettle agus cófrí sa chúla. We see the sink, kettle and presses in the background. Ní léon duine eile in éineacht lei. There's no one else along with her or beside her. Cóil an Colleen seo na sea agus cén fá gúil she chur text. So where's this girl sitting and why is she sending a text? Agus rís cosú leis an Sraith Pictiúr galéir being galore store focail gom ag bun an leithnic. So here at the bottom of the page you've got the key vocabulary or phrases that you want to learn. So Pictiúr seo, Sadara Pictiúr, feicimid ban in a sea ar bhíse. We see a woman sitting down on the bench ar ardán na dó sa stáisiún Trainoch on platform 2 in the train station. Mad and jazz green for a town. It's a fine sunny morning. Mar feicimid an green ag spalpa nús go hurts a spare because we see the sun high up in the sky beating down. Tá Bert Chalín in a seasamh ag gifig na dicéad. There are two girls standing up at the ticket office. Tá siad ag caint le freaslí tríd an bhuineog. They're chatting to an attendant through the window. They're Colleen amháin gúil siad ag leir gá hicéid go bailíocht lia. One of the girls says that they're looking for 2 tickets to Dublin. Is léir faoin am seo gur bhuail an Colleen lena cara ag an stáisiún Trainoch. It's clear at this stage that the girl met her friend at the train station agus gur ghlac she leis an gcuire a fuair she sa text teachtracht. So it's clear that she accepted the invitation that she got in the text. Beg an vertico ag taistil go leor na príomh cathrach ag geann cúpla nóid. The two of them will be heading into the centre of the capital city in a couple of minutes. Mar tá an tinneal Trainoch sa stáisiún Hanna féin because the train engine is already in the station. Cúpla ceis cé tá in a sea ar a minse, should I say, who is the person sitting on the bench, agus an gapan tú ghuiil na ticéad costasach, and do you think that the tickets are expensive? Sa chéad leat den Pictiúr seo, nó sa chéad leat de Pictiúr 3, feicimid daoine ag siúil ar shrádaí chonal I mbaile átha clia. So in the first half of this picture we see people walking on O'Connell Street in Dublin. Is see pre-fraud na Cathrach. It is the capital, or it is the main street of the city. So pre-fraud na Cathrach. Agus bíon an áit seo gnóthach agus plódathe le daoine ag gcónaí. This place is always busy and packed with people. Sa chúla in the background feicimid an spúik Lord na Sráide. So in the background we see the spire in the middle of the street agus Dalamh Chonal I Chonal Os Corsin and Daniel Connell's statue in front of that. Sa dar le feicimid branche de bhanc na Héireann ar shrádaí chonal is dócha. In the second half we see a branch of Bank of Ireland on O'Connell Street, it would seem. Fergan of Gástóra town agus nílach bailach isteach amháin. It's a 2-story building and there's only one way in. Níl mór an daoine le feiceáil ar an gosán. We don't see many people, or we can't see many people on the footpath. Tá an ghrian ag spalpa nús faoin am seo. The sun is beating down at this stage. Lá bra brothlach atá ann. It's a fine, sunny, sultry day. Cén fá ghfuil daoine or cén fá ghfuil an áit seo plóda le daoine? Why is this place packed with people? Agus an dóileat ghfuil an bank ar oscail. Do you think that the bank is open? Victor Cahar, no sa Victor seo, rihin burt armach as a mank. Two men run out of the bank. Is léir ghfuil rubal vink ar siúl. It's clear that there's a bank robbery taking place. Tá púchíní a chahabh acu. It's clear that they are wearing balaclavas. Agus tá gunna in a lámh duine acu, and one of them has a gun in his hand. Feicimid na málaí airgid in a lámh acu. We see the money bags in their hands. Agus ceapam ghfuil siad ag i dro an chóir éilethe atá acu, and I think that they're running in the direction of the escape car that they have. Tá an bhirt chalín díreach taobh den bank, nuair a hagan na gadathe amach. The two guards are right or directly in front of the bank when the thieves come out. Buineann siad get fásach as na chalíní. They catch out or they frighten the girls terribly. Agus tá siad scanartha go mór, and they're terrified ag an bhfear leis an gunna ina lámh aige, and they're terrified by the man with the gun in his hand. Chuir an chalín amháin fios ar na Gardaí. One of the girls calls the guards leis an phone póca atá acu with the mobile phone she has. There she ghfuil cabhair ag tastáil sa bhanc láithreach. She says that there's help needed in the bank or assistance needed in the bank immediately. Cén fá ghfuil na púchíní a chahabh ag na robálathe, agus an gapan tú gur bhfuil fatias ar na chalíní. So why are the robbers wearing balaclavas? Agus an gapan tú ghfuil fatias ar na chalíní. Do you think that the girls are afraid? I Pictiúr Cúig tágan na Gardaí ar luas lasrach. The guards come like a flash, nuair a rechin siad ag an manc. When they arrive at the bank, tá na robálathe fós sound. The robbers are still there. Sa chéad lad den Victor cloismid gunna agus urchar á scuile ag Gadaí amháin. In the first half of the picture we see, or we can hear, a gun and bullets been fired by one of the robbers, or shots been fired by one of the robbers, if you like. Tá sé ag dul I muinneann an gunna. He's resorting to the gun, mar tá fatias because he is afraid. Ní féidir lo éilú nuair atá cór na Gardaí ina dro. They can't escape when the Garda car or the guard's car is in their way. Gabhain na Gardaí na robálathe sa dara leat den Victor. In the second half of the picture, the guards catch the thieves. Cuireann siad glaslámh ar an mort acu. They put handcuffs on the two of them. Agus tá grime daingean ag na Gardaí orthu, and the guards have a firm grip of them. Nochtan na Gardaí aitheantais na robálathe, nuair bhainneann siad na púchíní díobh. So the guards reveal the identity of the robbers when they take the balaclavas off of them. Fir réasúnta ógatánta, they're reasonably young men. Tá cuma faragach ar an Gadaí atá chun tosaigh. The robber who is to the fore looks quite angry. He's got an angry appearance. Tá cuma fíorhásta ar an Garda. However, the guard looks extremely happy, mar tháinig sé ar mála airgid chomh, because he also found the bag of money. Cén fá go raibh na gadathe ag scuile urchar? Why were the robbers firing shots? Agus cén fá go raibh an Garda sásta? And why do you think was the guard happy? I Pictiúr sé tá Garda amháin ag gháil buíochais ar na chalíní taobh amuigh den bhanc na hÉireann. So in picture 1, the guard is outside of, or one of the guards is outside of the bank, and he is thanking the girls. Tá áthas an domhain ar na chalíní, mar bhí fatias orthu go néalóch na gadathe. The girls are really happy because they were afraid that the thieves would have escaped. Inchian an Garda an scéal go léir do na chalíní. The guard explains the whole story, or tells the whole story to the girls. Fágann sé sláníd, he says goodbye to them, agus deir sé go méid na Gardaí I deagmháil lo I gceann seachtaine chun sunraí breisiálathú. And he says that the guards will be in contact with them I gceann seachtaine within a week to get additional details from them. Sa dara chuid feicimid an brethimh agus é ina hí sa teach cuarta. So sa dara chuid feicimid, sorry, there should be no H there on that. In the second section we see the judge as he is sitting in the courthouse. Tá na gadathe ina seasamh os cór an bhrethimh. The thieves are standing in front of the judge. Is é an brethúnas a thug sé ná, the judgment he's given is go bhfuil an bhirrtacha ciontach as an gur úfásach a rinne siad sa bhanc, that the two of them are guilty of the terrible crime that they carried out in the bank, or they did in the bank. Gearann sé téarma príosúnachta orthu. So he sentenced them to term in prison or prison term. Agus der sin nach meid siad an $1 farúil ag dar an téarma ach irid. He says they won't be able to go on parole at the end of the term either. Cúpla ceis, cén fá go raibh an Garda i caint leis na Cailíní. Why was the guard chatting to the girls? Agus cén fá go raibh an brethebh buile leis na gadathe. Why do you think was the judge very, very mad or raging with the thieves? Sin deire an cheachta seo to stay in this lesson. Má tá aon cheist agat, take a jogva lum Leavingcertirish.com. No is fair like go Facebook, no Twitter. Con ceist a chorm. Gur míl mágat.